Mwebale kwijja abaruzi baktara mabara kugonza empaka kiki mwebale kwijja isomo lyaitu eyo Orunyakitara entekanzi yaitu kiro kino egenda kuba engonzi. Engonzi nimanyisake nimanyisa love, so nisogenda kubaza bigambo kibyo tukozesa mu ngonzi rundi mu nkundo, you know. Okay, tukatandika. Ikigambo kikubanza, you know, to date. So wano, if you are dating somebody, tugamba tuta. Dating is kuligira, you know, and if you are being dated a lady, it is called kuligiro. So bine bigambo no sa kubikozesa mulingo nkagunu. You know, you can use these words in this way. Yeah. Omusajja rundi omwojo nasagamba nyowe ngenzere kuligira. I have gone to date, or I have gone on a date. Ikigambo kino nosakosa omwisike nasagamba ogwo omusajja takusobora kundigira. That man cannot date me. The kigambo ekindi is rundi omuntu ali munywani wawe, but not necessarily you are still trying to date. So gamba nganjani rundi munywani rundi omutahi. So kino go egambo no sakusa mu mulingo nkaguno. Omwisige na gamba ogwo musajja wange. Nasagamba ogwo musajja nganjani. That man is just my friend. Egambo kino no sakosa mulingo gundi gamba kiba kirungi okuswera omuntu abeire nganjani yawe. It is good to marry somebody who has been your friend. Ekigambo ekindi darling tumweta tuta mu lulimi lwaitu Orunyakitara. Darling orundi omugonzebwa. Darling aba ngazi rundi omugonzebwa. So kino egambo nosakosa nagamba nka ogu nganzi yange. That is my darling. Enganzi yawe erinka. Where is your darling? Higambe kindi is actually love itself. Love or loved one. So engonzi is love. Kandi higambe kindi, if it is love but it is excessive, then kaba kabindirano. You know, that is excessive love. kandi short time love or infatuation kaba kahararo. So byona bibiri love, but one is actual love, one is excessive, and one is just infatuation. Bine bigambo no sakobikosa mulingo nkaguno. Engonzi yange, my love. Engonzi kayakwita, you know, love is killing you. You know, that's the literal translation. Koina akabindirano kaingi. You have too much love, or you have excessive love. Ako kahararo teringonzi. That is infatuation, not love. Ikigambe kindi is to love. To love is kugonza. Kandi ibara lyange nanyo banyita kugonza. So iso nimurora awake enwete kanizo ngigondeza muno. So mu Southwestern bagamba okukunda. It's the same thing by tubo bagamba okukunda. So kine gamba no kosa no gamba ni nkugonza, which is to I love you. Omusaija akugondeze, the man has liked or loved you. Yeah. The kigambe kindi is lava. Lava tumweta tota. Lava aba engonzi, you know, engonzi is lava. So bine bigambo sokosa no gamba ogu niwe engonzi yange, that is my lover. Omuna sagarukamu engonzi yawe mali, your lover for real. Ikigambe kindi is kiss. Kiss kuba kunywegera, you know. Chine gamba mwisikina kosa na gamba ogu omusaija amanyire kunywegera. That man knows how to kiss. So if she's having a conversation with the girlfriend, asagaruka haha insobororera. You know, please explain to me. Kigambe kindi is chacho, which is flowers. Inyo abagonza kwa engonzi zabwe rundi enkozi zabwe flowers obe ebiacho, you know. You can also use this word it's used in relationships or love affairs. Kile gamba so gamba nka oli chacho chomutima gwange, you are the flower of my heart, you know. Obo musikina zo gamba nyowe ni ngonza ebiacho ebia daisies. I like flowers which are called daisies. Ikigambe kindi is fornication. So fornication is basically having sex when you are not yet married or between unmarried people. So kino tucheta obusambanyi, you know. So kile gamba sakosa kesa ngamba nyowe ebyo busambanyi timberoho obuwa nonyenda answera. Me, I'm not into fornication issues. If you like me, marry me. So that's the example of a girl telling maybe a boyfriend that for her she's not into the fornication game. If the man really likes her, he should marry her, you know. So if the boy is or is also a tricky person, and asagamba na nyo went you mbele ni sandara. Even me, I'm like that. I was just joking. Okay, Go mwebale garuka abarozi ba Kitara TV kandi hire aka kazina kabasemize reka tandike nekishoka cyaitu cya kabiri kandi icyo kumarira. So girlfriend tumweza tuta if you're dating and you have a girlfriend. Ogu aba mwisiki wawe or mwisiki wange means my girlfriend. So kile gamno isakusa no gabanga ogu mwisiki wange, that is my girlfriend. If you're having a conversation with your colleague, nasagarukamu ogu mwisiki murungi, that is she's a beautiful girl. Kandi musaija wa kandi boyfriend. Boyfriend tugamba musaija wange. We don't say mojo timanyira, I think because most men date when with a big age difference, so you can't say your man mojo wange, you know, it's like my boy. You say musaija wange, that's a girl referring to their man or boyfriend. So omwisiki kinegano no sakosa no omwisiki nagamba ogu musaija wange, that's my man. Oli nasagara kamu aka musaija murungi nga is a handsome man. Ikigambe kindi is how do we call a person who engages in temporary love, you know, an infatuated person, you know. Ogutumweta all commonly known as a playboy or a player. Ogu aba emparazi, you know. So kine gambo aba isikine wasakosane bagamba oba umwisiki na gamba mwisiki mugenzi we. Ogu musaija mparazi murugeho. That man is a player, leave him. Then mnyalo nasagara kamu na gamba ukimanyirota. How did you know? Again is if you are being jealous in your relationship, tukieta tota. Over bufui, you know, that is excessive jealousness in a relationship where you don't want your spouse to do this or that or this or that, you know. No, we are no more for here, but come no more, no more roles. So kile gamba nsatukosa no gamba obufuhi rundi engonzi. Is that love or is just jealousness? You know. No ni asagaro kam wewe nyoweti unanyo binsobire. You say you, even me, I'm confused. Igambe kindi is obusere. Obusere is basically, it is charm that is basically used by especially women when they want to woo their men or to make them fall in love with them, you know. Obusere. Kene gamba no sakosa no gamba ogu musaija bakamuha obusere. You know, that man was given charms. Then oli nasagara kamu hawaki no tekerezo otu. Why do you think like that? You know. Ikigambe kindi is okusiguza. Okusiguza is basically trying to engage in two ladies into temporary love affairs. So bine ebigambo no sakukosa nkogamba ogu musaija okusiguza abaharabandi. That man is fond of duping people's daughters into temporary love. Then oli nasagara kamu tumutware mu nkomo. Let's take him to jail. Ikigambe kindi engagement, you know, once you have a girlfriend and you're ready to marry, kosa gambo kino kuba kujumbira, you know. Kujumbira is engagement or proposal, you know. So if your man proposes to you, it becomes kujumbira. So kile gamba lusakosa no gamba okujumbira kwa boki kuliodi when is a boki's engagement, you know. Unasogera kama okujumbira kwa boki kuliyo kiro cha sabit boki's introduction. Engagement is there on Sunday. Yeah, so reka tugenda kumalia kwaitu na bine bigambo. So bobo ina your girlfriend obuli mwojo bigambo kibyo kusokoso kumuhaisa. Okuhaisa means to praise, you know, to show love to your girlfriend, you know. So bine bigambo rusoko bikozesa nka ibuza bujo, you know, the one who makes me lack options, you know. That means among all the ladies, you can't see anybody else. It's only her, you know. Ibuzabucho. Liojere, you know. That means the cleaner one, you know. She's clean. She's like, you know. Amatagange means my milk. You can say amatagange. You know, that means it's an affectionate way of showing your love. You love amatagange. Rukina Baisiki, you know. She's greater than all the ladies, you know. Either you have seen old or you haven't seen, you know. Rukina Baisiki. Interesting in anyewe, boke wange mwita Rukina Baisiki. Then you also kosa oboki mwangi, you know, my honey, you know. Yeah, sadi bigambe bindi byo kosa okuhaisa omwisiki wawe baitu ebi nibyo ebimu byo sokosa kandi omwisiki nagonza kuhaisa musajja we bigambo kibyo sokozesa, you know. No sokosa bigambo nkabino Rusenda Mainaro, the one who has chased away poverty, or the one who chases away poverty, you know. You can say Rukira Basaija, you know, greater than all men. Ohangare Nkoburo, long live like millet. Omuzazeka, you know, the Bafia of family. Intaliyange means my lion. Itungolyange, you know, that means my wealth, you know. So nibyo bigambo byo sokosa no haisa musajja wawe. So kanhire enwete kaniza ebasamiza weekend kwijja tujyana kubaza ibigambo byo tukozesa mu buswezi rundi marriage. Again amabara kugonza mpaka kiki de musajja muzazi kanizara usayigi kanhire enwete kaniza yaitu ya kino ebasamiza. Murare kurungi kandi musibe kurungi.
Kitara TV, kwegesa kumanyisa.
Esali katirea amoti wange ulibiza ebyange kaniwe mama wabana bange oi 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 munyani wange bomezi wange kaniwe manyire nabyona ebyange. I like the way you smile. Mera mona muntu norira. Baby, let me see you dance. Sembera side and do. Awe nugu leka kiba nugu ne. Show them that you're mine, my girl. Karamanku ikatamoti. I just wanna see you smile. Karamanku ikatamoti. I love you. Karamanku ikatamoti. Ota fire mama. Karamanku ikatamoti. I love you my baby. Karamanku ikatamoti. Karamanku ikatamoti. ebigambo barugeho bajaye eminwa yabu turukya buchafu niwo wange ninyoweho wawe oli gwana nyonge niho ndikuwa sabaye kyokwenda nja kukireta ni papa obulira abalyato onawo kwenda kubya n'obuharabo bw'omwiguru omugumu otafayo Baramakwikatamoti I just wanna see you smile Baramakwikatamoti I love you Baramakwikatamoti Otafayo mama Baramakwikatamoti I love you my baby Baramakwikatamoti Baramakwikatamoti